to it.
So the ingredients for the chocolate lava cake are 1 stick of butter, 3 eggs, 1 egg yolk, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 6 tablespoons flour, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and that's it.
So our first step to make our chocolate lava cake is take a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and a stick of butter, put them in a bowl, and melt them in the microwave for 2 minutes. Okay, so now you're going to want to add 1 cup of powdered sugar into the semi-sweet chocolate chips and the 1 stick of butter mixture. And you're going to want to mix that. So if you notice that the batter is at a thick consistency, now you're going to want to add 3 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. This will help loosen the batter up. And you're going to want to mix that up. At this point, I just switch to a whisk so we can really mix it up together. So our last 2 ingredients are 6 tablespoons of flour and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And that's it. Slow-mo part 2. That smells like lava cake.
Here is an Aid the Baker tip. Make sure to always spray your pans, cups, and more before baking, especially with lava cakes so they don't stick. For each lava cake, measure carefully and use a 6-ounce cup and fill 2/3 of the way up with your lava cake batter.
Now you're going to want to cover your bowls with aluminum foil just like this one. Time to go in the pressure cooker. Pressure cook at high for 10 minutes. We're so close, guys. It's almost time to release the pressure.
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
So I've taken one of our lava cakes out of the pressure cooker. They're a little hot to handle, but we're going to give it a minute to cool until the reveal. Look at that. Now let's make it all nice and presentable.
Here is how the chocolate lava cake should look like when you're finished. Amazing!
Now for the part where you're all waiting for. Let's go and see that lava. Look at that. Can't wait to dive into this thing. Chocolatey. It's so hot, which makes it so good. Sauce inside. It makes it like so good. Like I can't stop eating. And it makes it so good with the ice cream. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is our family favorite and it can soon turn into yours. If you want more videos like this, make sure you hit that like button. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.